I promise this is not an Apple dedicated channel. I actually kind of hate just Apple dedicated channels because they lose the plot with the fact that all tech is just tech. Anybody who's picking a side, PlayStation, Xbox, Apple, Windows, Linux, you're missing the plot. Like, people are supposed to choose themselves, not a company or a corporation or ecosystem. So do that. And to show you guys that I actually feel some decent B-roll, I'm gonna show you my Windows computers. And I'm not here to shut out Windows either. Windows is good for what it's good for. Like, for me, means I have a old 2017 MacBook that I dual boot primarily a Windows ecosystem on. I use that for any time I need to flash like any install drives with Rufus or do anything legacy bound. Windows is important. Windows is on most of the computers on the planet. Like, don't get it twisted. I also use a headless gaming PC that I built way before the AI apocalypse and all of the pricing and like, yeah, I wouldn't do that shit today, but I did it before today. So I built a budget gaming PC. It has an RX 6700 XT 12 with 12 gigabytes of VRAM, which is great for 1440p gaming. I use my iPad Pro, 13-inch iPad Pro as the monitor. So my viewing experience is excellent. I really can't hate on it. I'm living the best life over here. And yeah, I get that like Linux might be better, but for me, for the ease of use, Windows is better right now. Like, I'm sorry, everybody who's ever told you to get on a Linux computer, like they kind of want to stress you the fuck out. It's like telling you to go date a bad bitch. Like, yeah, it's gonna be fun. It should look good, but it come with a whole lot, and just be ready for it. Me personally, I like my tame, laid back Windows experience. I honestly don't use stock Windows. I use a custom install that I make with Rufus where you just pull out all of the crap. So like, everybody who's telling you Linux is customizable, so is Windows. Like, let's stop it. Like, all technology is customizable. You just gotta get your elbows dirty a little bit, but you can do it. And same thing for the MacBook Pro. Like, it runs Windows 11. It's a 2017 MacBook Pro. Its support ends at Windows 10, but you can do it. Like, I just installed Windows 11 through a couple workarounds. Look it up on YouTube, look it up on Reddit. Like, there's plenty of guides that let you do whatever you want with your tech. So yeah, that was just my random segment. I was literally filming another video and I was like, you know what? Film the audio to show them your Windows computers and show them that your channel isn't just gonna be about Apple stuff. I wanna cover Apple. I think Apple is the forefront of technology and is a really important player. But I also want to know what everybody else is using their computers for. So honestly, leave a comment, let me know, and stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one.